Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the search functionality on your new lead book. Now, the search functionality is used to find leads from your roster or your list quickly. Now, you'll notice that I already have a few leads pinned up at the very top of my list here, and these are the ones that I'm working on recently. So if you have certain leads that you want to get to right away, feel free to pin those at the very top. But of course, there will be times where you'll need to find certain leads that you've worked with in the past or clients that you have in your roster that you want to quickly pull up and take a look at their lead details. So in that case, we're going to click on the search button up here. And then you're going to see a few fields that help you refine your search. So the first thing is, if you're familiar with the name of this client or prospect, then you can go ahead and type in their name. And then to the right, you'll see some additional fields. So you have status, which identifies if this person is either a client or a prospect. Heat, which is, as you can see down below, it's either hot, cold, unclear, or warm. And then under category, you can pick between buyers and sellers, any groups that you've created, renters, sellers, and other. And source is the means by which this lead was generated. And you'll see that in the list here, you'll also notice that there are some sources per lead. So it shows you exactly how that lead was generated. Pipeline stage shows you where they currently are in your sales funnel. So if you've recently attempted to contact them, if you've already contacted them, if you've set an appointment or a showing, or you've closed this particular lead and turned them into a client, or if they're still brand new. And finally, you have the lead type. So the lead type is determined based on which landing page on your website this lead was generated by. So you'll see that I have appointment forms, contact forms, custom forms, daily email alert landing page. So these are all of the lead generation tools / landing pages that I have on my website that help me get more leads. And if you'd like to refine your search by the type of landing page that you have on your site, then you would choose that under lead type. So we're going to go ahead and quickly make a search on our lead book, and I'm going to type in one of our clients here, which is John. So you'll notice that my first lead is John, and when I type in his name, we want it to be pulled up in the results. So I'm going to go ahead and type in John. So there we go. We have John Taylor, John Stamos. So you have these two leads, or one prospect and one client. And then of course, if you want to refine your search, and you can actually see this in action if, let's say, you want to differentiate between the two. Usually there's going to be more than just two, especially if you have a large roster of prospects and clients. But in this case, my list is fairly short and it's only picked up two. So I want to pick my prospect. So it's going to refine it and remove the one below. So now it's John Taylor, prospect. And of course, in this case, if you have even more labels that you want to refine it by, in my case, it's already pulled up the one prospect that I was looking for, so I don't really need to do this. But in your case, if you also want to refine your search by heat, category, source, pipeline stage, and lead type, then this is where you would choose those parameters for your search functionality. And that's how you use the lead book search.